Hi, I'm Casey, co-founder of Koi Pond Studio, and today we're going to look at how to get started once you've received your needlepoint kit. All of our beginner kits come with the following: a stitch printed canvas with sewn-on binding, all of the DMC stranded cotton threads that you need to complete your canvas, plus 2 John James tapestry needles, just in case you lose one. At the moment, we're also providing a free stitching essentials kit that comes with the following: 2 threaders, some snips, a seam ripper, and a project bag, so you can take your project wherever you go. Let's begin by deciding which colors to start stitching with first. There's no hard rules for this. Some people prefer to start with small details, while others prefer to start with the background, but I recommend that you start from lightest to darkest for the best definition of your stitches. So we'll begin with the light green. Looking at our skein of DMC thread, you'll notice that there's 2 labels, a short one on top and a long one with a barcode. You'll want to locate the thread end on the side with the barcode and pull the thread from there. If you pull from the other end, you'll tend to wind up getting your thread tangled, whereas if you pull from the side with the barcode, it should be nice and smooth as you continue stitching. The ideal length for your thread should be about as long as your forearm. This should be long enough to do a decent amount of stitches, but not too long where it's constantly getting tangled. So once you've pulled that length, you can take your snips and cut your piece of thread. Next, we'll look at how to thread a needle. The first way you can do this is by lying your thread over your needle, pinching the thread and needle between your thumb and forefinger, sliding the needle out, and then positioning your needle so the eye is pointing up, and then slide your needle between your thumb and forefinger so that the thread goes through the eye. And then you've got your threaded needle. If that's a bit fiddly for you, we do provide the needle threaders in our essentials kit. To use one of these, you'll take your threader, insert the large hook into the eye of your needle, like so. Lay your thread on top of the hook, and then pull the hook through the eye of your needle. And then you've got your threaded needle. You should now have everything you need to start stitching, so be sure to check out our continental, basket weave, and couching tutorials to learn how to stitch. Happy stitching!